Oh, look, they're both here now. So these are the first birds that are showing up. And in no time, there will be lots of them. Because that little secret that there's yummy bird seeds for them won't stay a secret for too long. Yeah. Pretty yummy stuff, huh? Ah, nice to see you. Thanks for stopping by. Well, and they're talking story too. So yeah, this red thing on top of the rain cover is actually a proper bird food dispenser, bird feeder. But it's really old and it's rusty, and the seeds tend to fall out more than stay inside. So I decided I need to build a new one. And I thought, what did I have? What do I have? Well, I have a paint bucket and some chicken wire and a lid from a trash bin and a couple of bricks. And so I put that there for now. It's off the ground. I put some orchids around it. They will grow around it nicely. And it's my ghetto bird feeder. Hope y'all having a beautiful day. Make sure to love each other, love yourself. Give yourself a big hug. Oh, they're kissing. Oh, look at that. They're happy. Oh, look at them showing off. That's adorable. Oh, what was I saying? Yeah. Love yourself, love each other. Give yourself a big hug. And much aloha. Bye-bye. Hi. Thanks for stopping by.